In this video, we will see together le futur simple, and more precisely when the futur simple is used like an impératif, but with a milder meaning. So of course the futur simple is usually used to express what is coming in the future, but it's also possible to use it like an impératif with a milder meaning. It's not a strict order, but still it will be an order. Let's have a look at some examples. Tu penseras à faire tes devoirs en rentrant à la maison. Tu penseras à faire tes devoirs en rentrant à la maison. In that situation, you are using the futur simple of the verb penser, second person of the singular, tu penseras. And in this sentence, if you look at it, clearly it is an order. Tu penseras à faire tes devoirs en rentrant à la maison. So it's one way to use the futur simple instead of using l'impératif. Pense à faire tes devoirs, it would be possible, but clearly it is the same idea. You are giving an order, you are asking someone to do something, but in that case, because we use the futur simple, it's a bit milder. Vous mettrez la table avant que j'arrive. Vous mettrez la table avant que j'arrive. Same thing here, so you have the verb mettre. Mettre is conjugated in the second person of the plural. Vous mettrez, futur simple. And by using this structure, as you can see here with the sentence, it's to give an order. A nice order, but still it is an order. Vous mettrez la table avant que j'arrive. Allez, let's have two more. Tu iras chercher du pain avant de rentrer. Tu iras chercher du pain avant de rentrer. So in that case, it's even more interesting because we ask a question, but in fact, it is an order. So in that case, it is the verb aller. Remember, aller in the futur simple is a bit tricky, but it's the second person of the singular. Tu iras. Tu iras chercher du pain avant de rentrer. Vous vous préparerez pour l'examen de lundi. Vous vous préparerez pour l'examen de lundi. So in that case, the verb is se préparer. This is the futur simple form of the second person of the plural. Vous vous préparerez pour l'examen de lundi. So keep in mind that, of course, futur simple is in most of the cases used to express the future. But like in these examples, it is also possible to use it like an impératif with a milder meaning.